everyone, this is Danielle here. I am here to show you two types of exfoliation. One mechanical, which is microdermabrasion, and the other which is chemical with glycolic acid. Michelle here is our model. So I will start by cleaning her skin. All right, to start off, just so you know, Michelle, our machine has got two different options where there's a diamond tip to get the exfoliation on the surface, aspirated, and there's actually a little filter that I've put into the machine, which this is a clean one, and that will show how much dead cells that I take away from your skin, okay? So the one side is the diamonds, and there are several sizes, rough to really soft. So I've chosen soft ones because your skin is a little sensitive. I think you can tolerate it though, but it's just, I don't want to be too aggressive for the first time. So the first one is a little more aggressive, the second one is for the smaller areas, and the third one is to finish, okay? But in the middle of that, after we've done the two first phases, I do crystals. So that's the other side of the machine. And that's like a little mini sandblasting. Okay. And that dislodges deeper into the pore. Okay? I'm just going to feel as to how the aspiration is first. Does that feel okay?
Yep.
A little vacuum, huh? There's a 50% overlap. It's a great mechanical exfoliation. Actually, scientifically, it is proven that when you get a microderm, 15 to 20 days after you've had your micro, your dermal area, which is the center part of your skin, the middle part of the skin, is 15 to 20% denser.
All right.
So it triggers a repair, regeneration process. Once you received a microderm, when you walk out, you'll feel the air in your pore. It's a lovely feeling. Much tinier, a little more abrasive because it's tinier. It goes for the smaller areas, like around the eyes, around the eyebrows, the nose, the lips. You'll feel like little pins and needles, but not really, not uncomfortable. It's just, you feel that it's doing something, like, right?
Sandpaper.
Yep. So part of it is being shooted on top of the skin, well actually all of it, and then what is shooted on, it is also aspired back and thrown into a used container. So it's always new crystals that are being used. There are different types of crystals out there with different technologies. Ours are rounded up, which means that there are no microscopic scratches. It's a little more friendlier It's kind of neat because you see where you're going with this. Again, 50% overlap. Your eyes closed. I'm just going to brush off the excess of the crystals left on your skin. Now the next phase, which is the last phase, with a much softer tip that we'll do everywhere, but including the neck this time. Because the neck is a very sensitive area, very thin. As you notice, we don't really go on the eyes as well, just neck and eyes. But to finish, it's a lovely finish. It softens everything. And you can feel, I'm sure, that there's no abrasiveness in this, right? It's just like a little soft tip. When you shower tonight or tomorrow morning, you might feel a little bit of tingling. That is normal because we are dislodging. We have dislodged a lot of dead cells that has never been removed, right? So tingling is normal. But by tomorrow night, your skin will be back to normal. So a microderm is excellent to do, excellent if you can, every seasonal change. Twice a year to 4 times a year. It's always good for the client to see too. Oops. Right.
To see what?
The little filter.
Oh, how much stuff I got.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I've seen a lot worse, honestly.
Whoa.
You see? There's little hairs and dead cells in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I clearly needed this.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. So now we're ready for the second exfoliation process, the chemical side. Like I said earlier, I'm using glycolic peel. So there are three steps in this Swiss line exfoliation. The pre, which will sting just a little because, again, the same process, same logic behind removing the dead cells, but not be irritating, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it's just preparing your skin, balancing, lowering the pH so that it's ready for the peel. So we'll use a 20%. We also have a 35%, but we'll use a 20%. Are you okay? Mm-hmm. It's, okay, this is kind of taking the dust between the bricks, so to speak. It eliminates what we can't get with the other process. It just perfects it. And simply, that's what it is. That's what it's doing. So the tingling is just because it's going in there a little deeper. Okay, not too bad. So her skin is now ready for the second phase, or for the next phase, which we'll show you in our next video next week. So stay tuned and stay safe. Bye now.